Good old Vaseline. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. I know it's been a long time since I put up a video, but I will explain. I started a new job and I had to study for an exam that I had to take to be licensed. So that took up quite a lot of my time. That's why I haven't put up a video in a while. And the one I put up last time was an old video that I recorded, and I just wanted to put something up. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, so that way I know you got. Today's video is going to be using the, I already opened it, but the new Morphe palette, the 35O2 Second Nature palette. And I've used it before and I really like it. I used it for Thanksgiving, so I'm just going to recreate what I did for Thanksgiving, or at least try to recreate what I did for Thanksgiving. And I just am absolutely in love with this palette. This is what it looks like. It just has the Morphe name, and on the back it has this, and then the 35O2 sticker. And then you open it up and it has the names and everything, which I really like. And just a little plastic sheet. And then this is what it looks like without it. Very cute, very fall, and I am in love with this palette. Okay. To start off, I'm going to prime my eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25. And just use that to prep the skin, or to prep the skin, to prep the eyelids. And then go in with my damp beauty sponge and blend that all out. And then to set it, I'm going to take a little bit of my CoverGirl loose powder on my Morphe M173 and set that down so that it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to take the shade Universal on my Morphe E26 brush and blend that as my transition shade. And then I'm going to take the shade Orb on my Morphe M411 brush and blend that into the crease, just to deepen it up and warm it up a little bit to define it so that it doesn't look as flat. These colors blend like a freaking dream. Like a dream. They blend so good. And then I'm going to go back with my E26 brush and just blend that out. Those two colors, so that there's no harsh lines. And everything runs so smoothly. So then I'm going to go in with the color Brick on the same brush and blend that into the crease as well, but mainly in the outer corner, in the outer V of my eye. And then a little bit into the crease. Not all the way, just halfway through. But mainly out here. Y'all ever blend so much that your arm hurts? Because mine is hurting. But it's all worth it. Just keep blending. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to take the shade Ablaze, which is this beautiful burnt orange shade, on my Morphe R39 brush and keep this on the outer corner as well, just to deepen it up a little bit halfway through the eyeball or the eyelid, but mainly out here. Then going in back with the Morphe M411 brush and just blending those shades out, making sure again no harsh lines. So then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of brick, just a tad bit on my R39, and just deepen this outer corner so that it looks light to dark, light to dark. But mainly just out here. Now for the fun part. I'm going to take the Urban Decay brush and I'm going to pick up the shade Sauce. And let me tell you, this color is absolutely amazing. Absolutely. I find it best to apply it with a flat brush and then go in with my finger if we need to fill in a couple things. So look at that. Freaking amazing. Oh my god, I love this color. I absolutely adore this color. It is so freaking good. Like, does it get any better than this? And I've only done about 2 eye looks with this makeup palette. I haven't even touched all the colors yet. So if these blend like a dream, this shade looks like how it looks, this palette is definitely not a disappointment in my book, in my eyes. Morphe, keep doing what you're doing because I am absolutely loving it. So now I'm going to go in with the R39 brush and pick up a tad bit of a Blaze and just blend those 2 shades together. Bam. Where the glitter meets the matte. Bam. And then nothing on the brush of my M411 and just blend it. And then I'm going to apply false lashes, put on liner, and I will be right back. Welcome back. Lashes are on, wing is on, and we are ready to go.
Why is love this complicated? We should have been friends. We should have waited, but we can't go back in our past. Explain to me why we can't last. Is it too many scars to heal from? I remember the time in our life. I had your heart, you had mine. Now we don't speak no more. We don't speak no more. We spend too much time. Focus on all the wrong things, yeah. Now you out doing all the wrong things, yeah. Maybe it was better when we were just best friends. I think it'd be better if we were just best friends. Maybe it was better when we were just best friends. I think it'd be better if we were just best friends.
Got all of these mixed emotions. 1 minute you hate me, the next we be rolling. Feels like the love dying slowly. I'm second guessing on all of my choices. Like maybe we took it too far. Maybe this ain't meant to be. Maybe we were just infatuated with the thought, wrapped up in the fantasy. Ooh yeah, snap back to reality. So high we forgot about gravity. No, I'm sitting here trying to find a remedy, at the same time trying to keep my sanity.
Okay, then for under eyes, I'm just gonna go in with Orb on my Morphe M411. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a Blaze, the same brush, and just keep it out here. Oh! I'm going to take the NYX Retractable Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Deep Purple and run that on my waterline. Lips, I'm going to take my Infallible Paints by L'Oreal Tongue Tied. And to top it all off, we're going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys like it, and I really hope you guys enjoy this simple... Okay, people, stop texting me. Stop! Goodness gracious. I really hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. That way I know you guys like these types of videos, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!